If you open up the Wikipedia page on linear search, this is what it says. In computer science, or linear search or a sequential search is a method for finding an element within a list. It sequentially checks each element of the list until a match is found or the whole list has been searched. Now that isn't the best way of explaining things, but this is Coditutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you how a linear search works and how to implement it in Python. So let's get started. Let's say we have an array of 7 elements having indexes 0 through 6 and we want to search for the number 25 in it. We start at the very first element of the array and check if that is equals to 25. If it isn't, we move to the next one and check if that is 25. We keep doing this until the number 25 is found in the array, and once it is found, we just return the index of the number, and if it is not found, we just return -1. Okay, so now let's go ahead and write some code. We're gonna start off by defining a function called linear search that takes 2 arguments, the array and the target. And we want to search for each of the elements in the array, so as long as I is within the range of the array, we want to check if the value at the index is equal to the target. If that is true, we'll return the index, and if nothing is found, we'll return -1. And that's our entire algorithm. And now if we pass on to our function the array and the value that we want to search for in that array, it must return us the index at which it exists. That was linear search, and I'll see you on the next one.